Hey Homespot family, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of a beautiful backyard but worried about the cost? Today I'm sharing incredible concrete block garden ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space without emptying your wallet. These DIY projects are simple, affordable, and absolutely stunning. Let's dive in and get inspired to create your dream garden. Transform your herb growing with this clever vertical tower design. Simply stack 4 to 5 concrete blocks in alternating orientations to create a spiral effect. The hollow cavities become perfect planting pockets for your favorite culinary herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and thyme. This space-saving design is ideal for small backyards and keeps your fresh herbs within easy reach. The best part is you can build this entire tower in under an hour with no special tools required. Add instant personality to your garden with this vibrant painted planter wall. Line up concrete blocks horizontally along a fence or garden edge. Then unleash your creativity with outdoor spray, paint, and cheerful colors. Pastels work beautifully for cottage gardens, while bold hues create modern drama. Fill each opening with cascading flowers like petunias, lobelias, or trailing verbena. This project proves that concrete blocks don't have to look industrial. A little paint transforms them into charming decorative planters. Showcase your succulent collection with this stylish display unit. Use 8 concrete blocks and 4 treated wooden boards to create a double shelf structure. The industrial look perfectly complements the architectural beauty of succulents like echeveria, jade plants, and sempervivum. Arrange pots in varying heights and colors for visual interest. This shelf also works great for displaying garden tools, watering cans, or decorative items. The open design allows proper air circulation, keeping your succulents healthy and thriving. Build a productive raised bed that will last for years. Dry stack concrete blocks in a rectangular formation to your desired size. Top the blocks with concrete pavers secured with construction adhesive for a finished look and comfortable sitting edge. Fill with quality soil and plant vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and herbs. The raised design improves drainage, warms soil faster in spring, and reduces back strain during gardening. This is one of the most budget-friendly raised bed options available. Gather friends and family around your own DIY fire pit. Arrange concrete blocks in a circular formation to create a safe burning area. The blocks naturally withstand high heat and contain the fire effectively. Add a layer of pea gravel or fire-resistant base material inside the ring. Surround the area with Adirondack chairs and enjoy cozy evenings under the stars. This project costs less than $50 and creates a backyard focal point perfect for roasting marshmallows and making memories. Make use of unused corner spaces with this L-shaped planter design. Stack concrete blocks 2 to 3 levels high against a fence or wall corner. The configuration creates multiple planting pockets perfect for strawberries, herbs, or trailing flowers. This design maximizes vertical space while maintaining a compact footprint. The corner placement provides natural wind protection for delicate plants. Fill the cavities with quality potting soil and watch your corner transform into a productive mini garden bursting with color and fresh produce. Keep your gardening tools organized and accessible with this simple storage solution. Stand concrete blocks upright near your garden shed or potting area. The hollow openings become perfect holders for hand trowels, cultivators, pruning shears, and gloves. You can also tuck in seed packets, plant markers, or small watering cans. This organizational system keeps tools dry, prevents rust, and saves you time searching for misplaced items. The open design allows wet tools to air dry properly between uses. Create a stunning focal point with this pyramid-style planter. Stack concrete blocks in decreasing rows to form graduated steps. Plant different colored flowers at each level for a cascading rainbow effect. Try red geraniums at the top, pink impatiens in the middle, and purple lobelia at the base. This design adds vertical interest to flat garden spaces and ensures every plant receives adequate sunlight. The tiered structure also improves drainage naturally, preventing water from pooling around plant roots. Add soothing water sounds to your garden with this fountain base. Stack concrete blocks to create a sturdy foundation for a small water feature. The hollow cavities cleverly hide pump equipment and electrical cords, keeping everything neat and protected. Top with a decorative basin or fountain element. Surround with moisture-loving plants like ferns and hostas. The sound of trickling water creates a peaceful atmosphere while attracting beneficial birds and butterflies to your cottage garden oasis. Express your artistic side with custom stencil planters. Stack concrete blocks in creative patterns, then use stencils to add geometric designs, florals, or cottage-style motifs. Paint in soft colors like sage green, dusty blue, or cream for a vintage look. Once dry, plant annual flowers like snapdragons, zinnias, and cosmos in the openings. This project combines function with artistry, creating planters that are truly one of a kind. Your decorated blocks become garden art that showcases both plants and your personal style. Transform a plain fence into a living wall masterpiece. Stack concrete blocks against your existing fence to create planting pockets at various heights. Fill with trailing plants like ivy, colorful nasturtiums, or climbing sweet peas. As plants mature, they cascade beautifully downward, softening the hard concrete edges. This vertical approach maximizes growing space in small yards while adding privacy and visual interest. The blocks also protect fence wood from soil moisture, extending its lifespan significantly. Spark childhood imagination with a magical fairy garden workspace. Stack concrete blocks at child-friendly heights and help kids create miniature garden scenes in each opening. Add tiny plants, pebble paths, fairy figurines, and decorative accessories. Children love tending their own special garden spaces and watching miniature plants grow. This project teaches gardening basics while encouraging creative play. The low height ensures kids can reach everything independently, building confidence and responsibility as they care for their fairy garden creations. Elevate your outdoor entertaining with a stylish serving station. Build a two-tier structure using concrete blocks and stained wooden shelves. Use it to display pictures of lemonade, fresh garden flowers in mason jars, glasses, and seasonal fruit. The rustic combination of concrete and wood creates an appealing industrial farmhouse aesthetic. This bar cart costs a fraction of retail furniture while offering sturdy, weather-resistant service. Position it on your patio for parties, or will it near the pool for refreshment service? Grow abundant strawberries in minimal space with this vertical tower. Stack concrete blocks with openings offset to create multiple planting pockets. Fill each cavity with potting soil and plant strawberry starts. As plants mature, they cascade beautifully while producing delicious fruit at easy picking height. This design protects berries from ground-dwelling pests and improves air circulation, reducing disease problems. One tower can yield several pounds of strawberries throughout the season, making it incredibly productive for its compact footprint. And there you have it. Amazing concrete block garden ideas that prove you don't need a huge budget to create a stunning backyard oasis. From vertical herb towers to cozy fire pits, these projects are budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. Which idea will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more garden inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Happy gardening!